This is Nathaniel here with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to use an aggregation pipeline to do array operations. So as you can see, I've written a little bit of code here in our same trusty aggregate command. We have one stage in this entire aggregation pipeline. I've formatted it a little differently for clarity, and we can see here that we are performing an operation on each document in the collection. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a new field, and we're going to be performing the concatenate arrays operation on skills and hobbies. So we have these two fields on employee skills and hobbies. Perhaps for whatever reason someone wants to run this aggregation to get all of everyone's skills and hobbies in one list and compare them for some fun team building activity or something like that. So we can do that with this little snippet of code, and we'll go ahead and run this. And we can see here that we get a list of employees with each employee having an items field with all of their skills and hobbies together. So we've created the result of this aggregation is a document for each employee with their unique ID and a list of items that consists of their skills along with their hobbies in the same array that's been merged together. That said, I will see you in the next aggregation video.